Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys another bullet journal video. I'm so excited for this video because I worked so hard on this setup for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my January bullet journal setup for 2020. I'm super excited for this video because I went totally out of my comfort zone and did a bunch of new things that I never would have done before. Also, I'm experimenting with new styles, so I'm so excited to show you guys these ideas. If you guys do like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and also subscribe while you're down there. If you guys want even more bullet journal ideas on Pinterest, it is right here, and I have so many bullet journal ideas and boards for you guys to look at if you need some more inspiration. Now let's just go ahead and get on into the video. Let's go! Alright you guys, so let's just get started with this flip through. As you guys can tell, I am on a set of blank pages that I left in between my setup and my January plan with me. Now I like doing this because it always gives me flexibility if I want to add another setup page, and it's just a last minute thing that I want to add. So I think it's super helpful to do that. Now we go on to January. I am super excited about this page because I really wanted to experiment with colored pencil. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to do a full page portrait every single month, but I really liked it for January. Now if you guys can tell, this is not finished yet, but I really wanted to continue working on it throughout the month so that I don't just do it all in one day, and that I could keep working on it throughout the month, and by the end of it just have it finished. So as you guys can tell, I am almost done with it, but I still need to work on it a little bit more in order for it to be complete. Now we go on to the calendar page. I love this page so much, and I really wanted to experiment with cutouts from magazines. So as you guys can see, I spelled out calendar in all different letters that I cut out of the magazine, as well as making a super simple calendar and writing down goals. I really wanted to make this month really naturey, as well as having like different kind of light fixtures, and I think it makes it look super cool and modern. Next, I decided to try out doing a little Dutch door, and I think that this is super cool. I haven't tried doing this before, but it was super helpful. Basically, on this page, I have my memories page, and I also added a bunch of little letter cutouts, and I did that for most of my headers. I also added a cutout of a plant. Then throughout this entire page and this half page, I'm going to write down all of the memories from the month. And if you guys saw last year, I did all of these memories pages where I wrote down a sentence for each day, and that's basically what I did again, except this time it's just as much as I felt like writing, and I did manage to smush it all in. But if you guys do need more page, then feel free to add another full page, but I just thought that I needed half. And next we go on to our habits page, which is just on the flip of the Dutch door, and I really liked it because I didn't need a full page for my habits. So I just have 3 different calendars with 3 different goals that I wanted to work on, and this page is so satisfying and I really like it. Now on the other side, I just have a quote page that says begin anywhere, and I really liked it because I was able to cut out some fabrics and stuff like that. They're just pictures of fabrics, but it gives it some cool texture as well as the lighting fixtures, and it helps bring in the entire theme. Now this is where all of the weekly plans are going to go, but if you guys want to check it out, then you guys can follow me on Pinterest. It is right here, and I post every single spread so that I have an entire bullet journal flip through on one of my boards, and it's called My Spreads, and basically it has my entire bullet journal and all of these spreads before they're filled out so you guys can get some more inspiration. Or if you guys just want more inspiration for more monthly plans, then you guys can check that out as well. Now that is about it for this January flip through. I really like how this month is going so far, and I think it's super simple and also getting me out of my comfort zone a little bit, which is always good. If you guys do try out this idea for spreads, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. And that is all for this flip through. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe right here on the screen. If you guys want to see last week's video, then make sure that you click on the Watch Now button. And I'll see you guys next week for another awesome video. Bye!